Oh my gosh, look, Jace. We're about to cross the street, and there's the Pacific Ocean right there.
Yeah. Beautiful.
This is pretty surreal. We've never seen the Pacific before. It's pretty awesome. Wow. Wow. Look at the waves crashing in. Look at the mountains over there. This is amazing. The waves crashing in, and look, there's the Santa Monica Pier right over there. Jason says, come walk with me. Yeah, look. There's the pier. And just this incredible view of the ocean. And then you go this way, and it's the hills and the mountains.
This one, all the town, city, and promenade and all that.
Yep. This is pretty awesome.
Okay, so first impression is, holy crap.
Yeah.
The sun's not even out, and holy crap.
I know. I mean, this is the Pacific
really,
Ocean right here.
It's so far removed from what we see on an everyday life basis.
Absolutely.
And it's just really beautiful. You know, you only see stuff like this on TV.
I know.
But we're actually seeing it, smelling it, tasting it.
Yes, you can smell the ocean. You can smell like the salt coming off.
Right?
Yeah.
So anyway,
it's pretty cool.
We're gonna continue the journey.
Yeah,
we're gonna
keep
take
walking.
you guys along with us. So you're gonna experience it for the first time with us. How cool is that?
Yep.
I may get a little silly at times, but that's okay. I'm just a little giddy.
Yeah, he's excited.
You know, and I drink. So come on, come on.
Okay. Well, this is just too unusual not to stop and look at. I don't know what it is. Wow.
Well, it should tell you right here.
I thought it did, but it just says do not enter landscaped area. That's cool. Got the Coast Guard flying over. This is a really good view from here. Oh, that's a good picture. Wow. The mountains. And we're getting closer to the pier. And look, we're like, look, straight down, that's the road. We're on the side of a cliff right here. We're like, see, here's the gate. We are literally on the side of a cliff. The road is straight down from here. Crazy!
Monica, close right.
Hey, yeah, FYI, this is the PCH. This is the Pacific Coast Highway. Right down here. So you go that way, and you go that way to Malibu. Let's see, can you see it on the camera? It's dedicated by the City of Santa Monica to the members of our armed forces who have given their all in defense of our country. And then there's a memorial for each. Army, Marines, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so this is the intersection of Ocean Avenue and that's Santa Monica Boulevard. And there's just so much to do around here. So many restaurants. Oh, this is Palisades Park. It's just beautiful. So we are now here at the official Santa Monica Pier, and we're gonna walk down this way and then over to Venice. Got Jason taking pictures. So we're heading down the walkway to the Santa Monica Pier. But we're not gonna go to the pier right now. We're gonna go take a left and walk to Venice Beach. There's the merry-go-round in there.
Is that where they got the ice cream?
Yep.
Okay. Spoonful of sugar.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We love you. You guys got the ice cream there.
We got some great ideas for you guys.
I'm gonna go get.
We gotta go get some ice cream
Get some
in
ice
there.
cream, thanks to a spoonful of sugar. Oh, and by the way, also the Santa. Wait, no, wait, the Monte Cristo.
Yes, we had the Monte Cristo yesterday. It was phenomenal.
It was awesome. You're right.
And yes, we only needed one. That was correct too. That thing was huge.
Really? Gigantic.
A cross here. Oh, they have a stop sign. Okay. So should we go peek our head in?
Yeah.
Hey, it's the merry-go-round shop. Yep, people coming out with ice cream. Is it ice cream time?
It is for you. Beer time for me. Oh, wow. Carousel inside.
Yeah, this is a very old carousel.
There's like nobody in here.
I know. Look, yeah, nobody in here. Here's all the ice cream.
Santa Monica Pier Sundays.
So we decided to wait on ice cream for now.
Yeah, it's because it's
a little
cool.
chilly outside right now. And if I eat ice cream, I'll really be cold. But I will get some before this night is over, or before this day is over. Lost Jason again. He's taking pictures. Hi! Oh, I can smell this place.
I can too.
It says fish and chips. Oh, it smells great.
Heater.
Yeah. This is pretty awesome. Okay, here's the entrance to the Santa Monica Pier. And there's a sign that says end of the trail for Route 66. So here's the pier. Beach. We're about to take this trail and just go for a walk.
Stopping, eating, drinking.
Yeah.
Walking, stopping,
This
eating,
is our
drinking.
plan for right now. Just walk.
Pretty good plan if you ask me.
When we see something we like,
We'll
stop. We may get bikes, we may just walk. I mean, our legs are pretty conditioned from being at Disney for the last 4.5 days that we can handle the walking.
This is nothing.
Yeah.
That's true.
Oh, we got some
Are your feet even
surfers.
hurting you?
Not today, they're not. They're all broken in and conditioned, and I'm good. Lost Jason again. He's in awe. You can hear the waves crashing. Like, it's loud. You can hear the waves crashing in. That's pretty darn cool. So all of this is Palisades Park. So there's swings, arm swings, like the parallel bars, the uneven bars. Muscle Beach is further down. This is pretty cool. Further along our walk. So we're about that far away from the pier now. There's this huge mountain of sand. Looks like they're doing some relay of the beach. Jason, what do you think about all this?
Sucks. Not. It's freaking amazing, man. I mean, I feel like a small child the way I feel right now.
He is.
It's surreal to me. I've seen this on the movies, you know, growing up. Music person, skateboarder. I used to, you know, I'm an MTV child.
Yep.
I've seen this all over, splattered all over my TV coming up as a kid, man. I'm actually walking down it now. Really cool.
It is very cool. This is pretty awesome.
Heck yeah.
We got the surfers coming in. Here's a beach access path. So we're gonna walk down this way, get closer to the ocean. It's too cold to swim. People that are surfing have on wetsuits. The locals that we've talked to, they said that the water stays pretty cold down here. You can swim in July and August, but for the rest of the year, you pretty much need a wetsuit if you want to get in there. I lost Jason again. There he is. I keep losing you.
Free. You know the guy sitting on the front of Leonardo DiCaprio, sitting on the front of the Titanic?
Oh yeah, I'm the king of the world.
I'm the king of the world?
Yeah.
That's kind of how I feel right now. That's exactly how I feel. I'm the king of the world!
We're almost to the end of this path, look. Oh, the sky looks like it's clearing. Or trying to anyway.
See the mountains of it.
Yeah. See down here. Here, see the mountains. See Santa Monica.
That and I'm labeling it Baywatch.
Yep. So we're gonna try and gingerly walk on top of the sand and not get sand in our shoes. You think that's possible? I'm not sure. I'm being real careful. We'll see. But look. Oh wow. Sorry, it's a little wobbly, uneven terrain here. Hey, but so far no sand in my shoes. sized waves rolling in. I saw a dolphin.
Did you?
Yes. Let's hope it was a dolphin anyway. I'm pretty sure it was a dolphin. So there's a lot of people out playing. Pretty much no more than their feet in the water. Woo, baby, watch your feet. It's creeping up on us that time. We made our mark here on Santa Monica Beach. What is that under your feet? That's a shadow. That means the sun actually came out. Yay! Jason has a we found his shadow.
Here comes the sun and I say it's alright.
Yeah, I'm so happy. We were waiting for the sun to come out. It's the Baywatch stand.
Baywatch.
So we're down here on the beach in Santa Monica, just watching the waves roll in.
And look what we found.
Ah!
Holy moly. How did that get there? I didn't do it.
I did. I did that one. But
Oh, it got close.
oh no, we can't let the water.
Wow.
Whoa, that's a big wave coming in there.
Uh-oh. Oh, we might get it here. No?
Nope. So what do you think about all this?
It's unreal. People are out there swimming in it. It's cold. The water's really, really cold.
I'm cold just standing here. So I can only imagine how cold that water is. Most people just have their feet in it. Jason, you want to go stick your feet in the water?
No, not yet.
Later today we will though. This day is not over. Is it cold?
Good tell. By that.
Oh look, there's a whole flock of birds. Whoops. Honey, I found a bench. You know how we love our benches? Hold on. So we love our benches. We found a bench.
Life's a bench. Sit on it.
We have this view this time. Not bad.
Dun, 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 dun. Baywatch. David Hasselhoff's gonna run across here any minute.
Oh, is he?
With his,
He's gotten kind of old. Do you think he can still run like that?
I don't know if he can stay away from them cheeseburgers.
You're crazy.
And that alcohol, man, it gets to him.
Yeah, that'll get to you.
So probably not.
But this is one heck of a view right here.
Look at the wind. Look at that flag.
Yeah.
It's ripping. That sea is roaring. Pacific Ocean is coming in like a
See
boss.
that wind? All right.
Sun is starting to open up a little bit. We're starting to see some blue skies. Look at the size of it.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Did you see that?
That was a big one. Yeah. Like there's a sailboat
There's another one
out
coming
there.
in behind it.
Wow. It's super windy, so it's some big waves coming in. Oh, we got the lifeguard out. Wonder what's happened.
The surf's getting big.
Somebody's doing something they need. Yeah.
It's not David Hasselhoff.
No, that's not David Hasselhoff, but
He's in much better shape. Probably stays away from the cheeseburgers.
he's probably, there's somebody down there doing something they're not supposed to do.
Yeah, somebody's out a little bit too far.
Whoa, look at that.
We might possibly film a rescue mission.
You see the sailboat out there? Way out there.
Yep.
There's actually 1, 2, 3 sailboats that I
Mine?
can see.
Mine?
Yes, and we have the mine birds.
Mine?
Mine.
Mine?
Mine.
Mine?
Mine.
Mine?
Mine. We made friends. So it's immediately a different feel as soon as you cross into Venice. It's very bohemian.